Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to keep text in box in Google Sheets. So let's write this text, how to keep text in box in Google Sheets. Now, as you can see, the text is overflowing to another boxes. So in order to keep it only in one, you can expand this column. So now it is only one box. But if you don't want to do that, you have also other options. Select the cell or the box that you want, and then simply go right here to text wrapping. You have option to wrap it, so it will be like this, or you have the option to clip it. So it will be clipped. It is still there, the text is still here, as you can see, it is just clipped and not overflowing to these other boxes. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.